My name is Paul Newman from Hutchings Hydraulics in KwaZulu-Natal. Yesterday we showed you the circuit that we had built. Today we managed to get a hold of a manual ventilator bag and we've connected it to the system. As you can see, my son is compressing the bag each time the cylinder comes out, which will simulate what the cylinder will do. Each time the cylinder retracts, it recharges the bag. So we can also change the frequency of the charging just by changing the timer on the SMC valve. There are actually three different size ventilator bags that you get. You get a infant, a child and an adult. So on this one system we can change the frequency of charging to accommodate the different size of the bags.